Albarca in Basilan is now embracing peace and progress as it unites various sectors through initiatives promoting community development and harmony. Philippine Information Agency Basilan's Nilda de los Reyes tells us more.
The once feared town of Albarca in the province of Basilan, known for its historical turmoil, is now a peaceful and progressive place. Recently, various sectors, including former members of the Abu Sayyaf group or rebel returnees, members of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, police, military personnel, and community residents, including children, came together for a fun run and peace celebration. This event was spearheaded by the Save the Children of War Foundation, the 101st Brigade of the Philippine Army, and the local government of Albarca.
Hindi tulad ng mga naunang panahon noon na talagang isa sa mga magugulong lugar ang bayan ng Albarca. Subalit ngayon, makikita natin na naghahari ang kapayapaan at ang pagkakaisa sa bawat isang Pilipino na namumuhay dito sa Basilan. Sana ito ay magpatuloy at magkaroon ng magandang pag-iingat na gagawin ng mga bawat Basileño at ng bawat Pilipino para sa magandang kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataan.
In his message, Mayor J.D. Farlajid emphasized that Albarca is a symbol of hope, showing that despite significant challenges, the community has risen to become a peaceful and steadily developing place.
Mula sa madilim na yugto ng nakaraan, ngayon ay tumatayo ang Albarca bilang simbolo ng kapayapaan sa Basilan Province.
Former members of the Abu Sayyaf group and members of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front also expressed positive perspectives for Albarca, stating that they are now working with the government to promote a happy, peaceful, and progressive community. From the province of Basilan, this is Nilda de los Reyes of the Philippine Information Agency for the Balitang Pambansa.